How's it going guys, JCVP11 here, and today we are going to be looking at Cortana for Android. So before we begin, here's a short clip of what the app looked like as soon as it started. It asked me to go through a series of steps which I had to agree upon, and after I did that it asked me to log into my Windows Live account. Now that was mainly due to it understanding my preferences as soon as I begin. So I logged into my live account, and after a certain while I was able to see all my preferences listed below, as well as my location settings and everything else straight from Cortana. So basically it's kind of like a setup process. But without further ado, let's see what Cortana can do and how it stacks up against Hound, Google Now and Siri. Right off the bat, Cortana is very similar to the UI of Google Now. It has the same card-like layout that Google Now has, which gives you information not only about where you're living, but also about all over the world. It has a weather card just like Google Now, and the last card gives you some feedback and information about the nearest places to visit if you're feeling a drink or a snack. If you click the button on the left, you'll be greeted with 4 different tabs. The first tab, which was introduced, was Home. The next tab is Notebook, which allows you to customize what notifications you want to receive from Cortana and what notifications you don't want to receive. It also gives you a way to customize your preferences as well as change any settings you want to. Next up we have Reminders. Reminders serves as a place to store every single reminder that you may have produced through Cortana or otherwise. This is helpful not only for those people who want to see what's coming up in the day, but also to prepare for the next day. And lastly, there is Feedback. Now feedback is kind of there because this version of Cortana is a beta version. This allows you to share ideas to Microsoft and as well as likes and dislikes. This allows you to also share a screenshot straight to Microsoft in order to convey your problem or your like in a better way. So if you've got any problems with Cortana, you can do so by using this tab. But we're gonna jump in back to Home and see how Cortana performs in real day-to-day use. So let's go ahead and ask it a question. What is the weather like? Alright, so as you can see, Cortana doesn't really listen to what you say. How about if I type that? Let me see if that works. Alright, so if I type in what the weather is like, it gives me an answer. But if I say it, it doesn't. Let's try another one. Tell me a joke. Alright, again the same problem, and this may be due to the fact that this is a beta version of the software. Let's see if it tells me a joke if I type it in. What part of the keyboard do astronauts like best? The spacebar. Okay, so it works when you type it in, but it doesn't work when you say it. So it's not really a voice assistant, but a type assistant. Let's see if I can do something more than just that. Divide a $70 bill among 4 people. Alright, so it's not really recognizing what I'm saying, and this may be due to the beta version of Cortana. Anyways, that is all for this video. If you saw, Cortana is still in this beta stage and it's not even out officially through Microsoft. But if you still want to try it out, there'll be a link down below in the description for you to download the APK and try it out yourself. Installing it isn't that big of a deal. You just have to download the APK file, check unknown sources in your settings so that you can download any file you want from the web, and you'll be pretty much set to go. However, I don't recommend downloading it because there's not enough functionality for it to rival, let's say, Hound, Google Now, or even Siri for that matter. So I guess you could wait it out until the 29th when it should be officially announced, and maybe you can get it then. Anyways, this was a quick video covering Cortana for Android. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button down below and comment your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss out on further content. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.